The terrible thing is Eros owns rights of so many other films, and I don't know what this little experiment will lead them to do, but I just hope the industry comes together, and that is so important. For now, Harini, have you guys taken legal recourse? Do you think there is a way that this release could be stalled, or it's a foregone conclusion now?
I don't think that is our objective. I mean, it's not really been on the first three things that we need to do. More importantly, we're focusing on what may happen following this, because we don't want precedents to be set on our watch. Legally, I mean, again, a lawyer would be sort of best to weigh in on this, because they understand how the law can sort of expand a contract to be able to accommodate what we're dealing with today. But as far as industry support is concerned, it's been massive. Anand Rai is just like plagued with phone calls. Like, I mean, there has been a lot of support. There has been a lot of sort of concern on behalf of the film, because this is, I think unanimously everybody understands this is not about this film. This is just about what this is going to mean post release. So yeah, to that end, we are escalating it formally in a way that can help address these grievances one at a time. I think what is really heartening, that everybody is like, heart is in the right place. Everybody is thinking about this objectively for what it means. What does this mean for the future of the industry, especially when we have not really had an easy run last few years. You don't want to go ahead with something that further alienates audiences.